Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna be right back.
Jazzy Fizzle, production. Missy, the princess is here.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. Body so melodic, this beat flows right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Bobbi came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you. Don't stop. Everybody get on the floor. The party, we about to get it on. Let me see you. Don't stop. I love it when you don't stop. Everybody, don't stop. We about to get it on. Outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Just made I'm charted ever since the day I started. Strut my stuff, and yes, I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys born. I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2 step. I can't stop it. Everybody get on the floor.
So, welcome back. So, today I'm reviewing a Bobbi Boss unit. It has been a while since I reviewed Bobbi Boss. The last, I want to say year, I've been reviewing Outre, Sensational, and yeah, that's pretty much been the big bulk of it. But I did Harlem 125 recently as well. And yeah, you guys, now I'm doing a Bobbi Boss wig. I love Bobbi Boss. They are one of my faves. Today I'm reviewing, it's the Soft Perm Yaki 5-inch deep lace parting space in the style MLF582 Denise. And I love this because it does feel like a soft perm. This texture is literally everything. It's from their Boss Lace First Class Hair Collection. Exceptional natural press texture, flex fit cap. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. It does have other styles to choose from the Soft Perm Yaki series. Tone, T-O-N-E-E, Tone, that's what I'm thinking. And then Leviana. So this is what the back of the stock card is looking like with the other two units. I also got it in the color 2. It's a lace front wig, ear-to-ear lace. And yeah, natural press texture. I love it. As you guys saw, it was an easy install, so easy. The only thing that I had an issue with is the middle parting space. It is very, very tight. I do feel like it needs a little bit of plucking, but I did go in with my Fenty foundation and my MAC press powder with a little brush, and I just went in along the hairline. Well, I went in along the middle to, you know, brighten up the part a little bit. I did pluck a little bit in the very, very beginning. It didn't really feel like there was an entry point. So I did go in and just pluck a little bit. But yes, this unit was easy. I didn't even go along the edges, you guys. The hair is covered, so I didn't even have to do that. If you like to, you can, you know, go in with your foundation or the or like a dark eyeshadow color, so you know it can blend in with your hairline. But that was it. This was an easy unit, and if you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some flop and goes, okay? But yes, it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. Bobbi Boss's cap size are typically, you know, smaller. I will say I feel like it's big head friendly. There is a lot of I would say it's big head doable because it stretches. The cap is stretchy. The cap does stretch, which is nice. So yes, but I would say it's more on the medium spectrum for sure. It has 2 combs on the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and it's comfortable, y'all. I am loving this unit. I'm loving the texture. Oops. And this is what it's looking like. And I almost feel like I might have reviewed something similar to this in a similar shirt. I was trying to find the photo, but I can't find it right now. But I almost feel like I had this look before. It feels too familiar with me. And I think the shirt that I'm thinking of, I was going to wear it today. And I was like, no, I already wore this shirt. But y'all are about to see me repeating outfits. Like, I ain't got time to wear a brand new outfit every time I review something. So you will be seeing repeats pretty soon. So you guys, this unit does range on Divatress's website for $54. So keep that in mind. The link is in the description box below. But yes, this is definitely a work wig, a brunch date wig, you know, a store run wig. I like this. I'm thinking I want to wear this on a date with my hubby, but I'm trying to decide. But I like it. This is definitely like work office vibes. Do any of you have to go back into the office yet? My job is so back and forth. 1 minute we're going in, next minute we're shutting back down. I mean, of course, with all the craziness going on in the world, but I might have to go in once a week, like once a month, which isn't bad. So I was like, okay, I can do that. I can do that. So I am definitely looking for some everyday hairstyles for these wigs. As far as tangling and shedding, there is a little bit of shedding going on, so just keep that in mind. I haven't experienced any tangling, but you guys, that was it. This is it. Oops. But this is it. This was easy. A plop and go. Super easy, super fun. I'm feeling this texture. It's very, very pretty. I'm feeling the length. You know, it's a safe wig. So if you're looking for something beginner friendly, this is a safe choice. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.